Have you ever asked yourself why your potential feels heavy instead of exciting? From childhood, just like every other child, you have been told if you want to do something great in life, you have to work hard. Just work hard as much as you can. Then you grow up. And now everyone on the internet is screaming at you to lock in and become unrecognizable. But let me tell you something. Nobody is talking about there's always comes a point where hard work stops paying off. No matter how hard you work, you just can't get better or improve your life. And if you think it's because you can't work hard enough, that's the biggest mistake. That's ruining your potential. What's the point of success if you spend all your young years working hard and succeed when you are 80 years old? Here's what's really happening. You are like a gardener watering concrete and wondering why nothing grows. You're putting in all the effort, all the energy, but you're pouring it into the wrong foundation. Or think of it this way: you are driving with the handbrake on. The engine is roaring, you're pressing the gas pedal to the floor, burning all your fuel, but you're barely moving forward. And instead of releasing the brake, you just press harder on the gas. When I meet people for their subconscious rewiring sessions, most of them are doing everything correct, at least what they think they should do. But they still feel like a pirate without a compass, restlessly working hard but sailing in the opposite direction of their desired island. The waves are crashing, the wind is blowing, they are exhausted from rowing, but the island keeps getting smaller in the distance. If you can watch this video with proper focus, I promise you, by the end, you will be able to spot the culprit ruining your potential and get rid of it as soon as possible. And finally, achieve those goals you have been chasing for a long time. To really understand what's happening to you, you have to listen to Dr. Maxwell's findings. Dr. Maxwell was a plastic surgeon. While working as a plastic surgeon, he noticed that after even a small surgery, even just removing a scar, some patients' lives would massively change in a good way. But others with a perfect physical features still suffered with insecurity, unhappiness, or remained unsuccessful. After researching and studying more, he came to the realization that the problem doesn't lie in their faces, it lies in their self image. Self image is the identity you always act in alignment with. See, self image is like an invisible thermostat in your mind. When a room gets too cold, the heater kicks in. When it gets too hot, it cools down. Your self image works the same way. It keeps pulling you back to what feels normal for you, even if that normal is making you miserable. It's a tendency of your brain to automatically move towards what you believe is normal for you. Like a river that's carved its path through stone over thousands of years, it flows the same way every time because that's the path of least resistance. Someone who thinks I always fail becomes a detective looking for evidence. They'll walk past 100 successes and zoom in on one mistake, saying, "See, I knew it." Their mind is like a magnet that only attracts proof of their limiting belief. Your mind responds more to imagined experiences than to force or discipline. Think about it. When you imagine biting into a lemon, your mouth waters. You didn't practically or actually taste anything, but your body responded as if it was real. That's the exact reason why you suffer a lot trying to be consistent and disciplined. You are trying to force yourselves to become someone your subconscious doesn't recognize. It's like trying to speak a foreign language you've never learned. Every word is exhausting because nothing feels natural. The new actions, the new habits, they don't really align with your self image. So they don't last long. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. You can push and hammer all day, but it will never feel right. And this self image is built upon your childhood, the way people told you how you are, and your beliefs about yourselves, layer by layer, like sediment forming into a rock. These beliefs have hardened into the foundation you're building your life on. So, now that you have grabbed the culprit, let's understand how to get rid of it. See, there's this technique that most actors use to feel any emotion they want whenever they need it. That technique can also help you attach the right emotions to your current situation. Let's say you want to start a business and you are nervous, scared, and you're not sure. The emotions which can really help you accomplish that goal are excitement, love, passion, and a strong gut feeling that you can make it. Here's how this 4 step technique works. Step number 1, find the emotion you need. First, identify what emotion would actually help you. Not what you are feeling right now, but what you need to feel. Step number 2, recall a past experience. According to this technique, you need to recite those past events that have made you feel those emotions in your mind. Think deeply about when you felt excited, confident, or passionate about something. Step number 3, attach it to your current situation. Once you start feeling that emotion, attach it to your current situation. That's it. Really feel it. Let it build inside you. Then connect it to your goal, the action you need to take. Step number 4, do this consistently. It is a really strong and effective way to manipulate your subconscious to help you in whatever you want. After doing that, you will see everything becomes effortless because you're not acting based upon fear or pressure. You're doing it with enthusiasm and love. It's like you have been swimming against the current your whole life, and suddenly you turn around and you realize the current was trying to carry you to where you wanted to go all along. You can see where your destination is and walk towards it without any roadblocks. The fog lifts. You start getting ideas you never had before, like radio stations that were always broadcasting, but you finally tuned into the right frequency. Everything just starts falling into place on its own. Opportunities appear, the right people show up, doors open that you didn't even know existed. It's not magic, it's alignment. With that, when you start getting results, by doing that, your confidence will skyrocket like a rocket that finally broke through the atmosphere. And your old negative self image, it starts crumbling like a sandcastle hit by a wave. And in its place, something stronger begins to build. By the way, if you are still struggling with your business or job, you can book a one-on-one session with me. The link is given in the description. Even after this video, if you can't figure out your way, you are always free to book a one-on-one with me. I'll help you out. If you watched it till now, you should subscribe to the channel. It would allow me to help you guys even more with what I have, because this channel and this world needs more people who become their best self and spread love and get love. See you in another one. Stay safe, stay healthy.